Hey everyone and welcome back. So today I will teach you how to add this terms and policies you can see over here onto your Shopify footer. So let's just learn. So first of all, you need to head over to your Shopify settings. So let me just close this for a second. You can see at the bottom left side we have settings. Head over to that, and over here we need to simply search in here for policies. So you can search policies, and you can see we have policies right over here. So it is going to be under policies. You can edit any type of policies in here. Either it is refund and return policies. You can see currently it is not set. You can add in here that. So type in here anything that is related to your business, that we are not going to be taking refund after 14 days. Maybe you can type in here as well, no and click on publish. It will be automatically populated. In there you have your privacy policy. It is automatically set. You can see we have over here all of the details. You can customize this as well if you want. Then you have your shipping policy, and finally we have our contact information. So currently it is required, so you can add in here your contact information, and automatically all of that is going to be updating in your terms and policies section if you click onto that. So yeah, this is how simple it is, and I hope this was informative. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys around in the next video.